It's a Songkran festival today. Start of the Songkran festival. Let's see. So many food already. See, basa. Parang San Juan lang, pero ito talagang sineselebrate nila yung talagang totally the whole basaan talaga. So later meron pa sila ngayon, no? Meron silang kasiyahan. So later mamaya tingnan natin yan, yung kasiyahan nila. Okay, think over here. There's so many police here. Kasi malaking